corners of your home, dreams inspired by memories. With every step and every touch you feel, you are in Saudia.
Saudia started out in 1945. A Jeddah-based company, the Saudia's main operational base is King Abdulaziz International Airport in Jeddah. An airline reservation system is essential because it reduces the number of errors that can occur when using a manual method and speeds up the boarding process. Although Saudi Airlines has an airline reservation system in place, passengers are unable to select their preferred seats from the reservation system. There is no option for passengers to print their boarding pass from the existing system. Passengers are not notified of flight cancellations or delays, and passengers do not have access to aircraft maintenance reports, all of which add to passengers' fears of air travel and its dangers.
The problem addressed by the airline ticket reservation system. Airline ticket reservation system aims to solve all problems and divide them into competitive advantages. However, these problems can be addressed by many ideas. First of all, we improve the quality of booking without any errors and repetition of information. And to confirm this, ETRS provides a database that enables customers and gives them the access to see dates, times, flight offer, price and types of tickets available to choose the most suitable for them and choose the flight category instead of going to the headquarters as before. Then, the traveler makes a reservation through the website, and this is to facilitate the process of delays while going and queuing. The system helps to complete all possible operations and leave the workers to focus on specific work. As a last point, both companies and customers look for confidentiality, security, privacy, and data preservation. And this is one of the most important characteristics of the ETRS, plus its other advantages.
Airline ticket reservation system. It's a system that transforms the whole travel business industry. It permits the clients to buy tickets from remote areas and different times. It offers specific options and functions that are ready to fulfill the needs of the clients or passengers. It shows the available flights depending on the customer wants.
Our system is dealing with routine processes, which is part of the transaction processing system. However, their role is held by the first-line managers. Therefore, they perform decision-making duties as understanding the actual workflow and to ensure that the company's competitiveness and strategic objectives are met.
Technology is important in our time because it enables its user to keep abreast of developments and events. Technology has helped us use systems like Airline's tickets reservation system, which is a transaction processing system or TPS. By this system, clients can easily perform reservation operation, not as in the past. It was taking so much time and effort that it was very tiring. Some examples of the operation that the system performs are collecting, classifying, and modifying data when needed. IT infrastructure is the cornerstone on which the company's systems are built. Every organization designs IT infrastructure to support the systems and processes used to the broader organization. The IT infrastructure contains several components. Saudi Airlines uses some of these components, like data management and storage, by storing the data that users enter into the database and using it as required. The clients can enter data such as his name, age, flight class, preferred seats, and choose his destination. His information is then stored and used to make reservation. Another component is Internet platform. It enables users within Saudi Airlines, like employees and managers, via the intranet. It also enables external users by giving them access, for example, airport visitors or travelers. Through the extranet, clients can check their reservation while waiting in the airport lounge. The intranet helps employees and managers to communicate with each other and perform work effectively. Linux is also used as operating system server. It helps the organization to perform its operation easily. In addition to its great advantages in terms of cost and the ability to modify it according to the needs of Saudi Airlines. Because it is open source, and this helps the programmers of the Saudi Airlines to modify it according to their needs.
The airline tickets reservation system consists of three areas: the front end, the back end, and third-party integrations. First, the front end. It starts when a client fills in their flight information. Next, the client chooses the flight that suits their time and budget. Then they fill in their personal information. After that, clients can select their preferred seats. Then they proceed to payment transaction and choose the suitable payment method. Finally, clients receive a confirmation ticket purchase summary by email and SMS. Second, the back end. Managers can use the system to acquire real-time reports and fulfill their daily tasks. They can check customers in and out as well as schedule additional flights. The sales department receives the ticket purchase order. The data is subsequently sent on to the accounting department, which checks the client's ability to pay for the purchase. Once the consumer credit has been established, the accounting department generates a bill. The order is subsequently submitted, and the consumer receives a purchase summary as well as an online ticket from the sales department. And finally, the third-party integration. It enables businesses to keep track of their guests, accept online payments at the time of booking with payment processing providers, and enroll visitor lists in monthly newsletters with email marketing systems.
I'm part of the airline ticket reservation system. Before the system existed, there was a delay or cancellation in flights. People had to be physically there to look for an alternative. Now, with this system, they can book an alternative online through the system. Using the airline ticket reservation system has led to a reduction in the time spent on the reservation process, because the system made it far easier. The system's challenges. There were some financial difficulties to implement the system, because it required new tools and technologies to implement. However, Saudi Airlines still chose to take the risk, since it has major returns. Also, it has some breakthroughs and hacking, which was considered as a lack of security. But the system has improved and the problem was solved.
Finally, with the continuous development in technology and global events taking place, it is imperative to use information systems, which are an essential and important part of any organization, to speed up operations and make them more smooth. Therefore, this topic focused on monitoring Saudi Arabian Airlines, which managed on its own by using technology very well, and using the airline ticket reservation system as it's used to solve all its previous problems, in addition to the advantages that it's added to work efficiency and improve its quality. We also explained the purpose of using the airline reservation system and the effect it has gained from its use, and the challenges that the airline faced before using the ETRS and how it works to overcome them.